Up Ecash coin holder, what's going on this time? Ecash coin price will pumps up, you can see my friend, but definitely after a short pump, absolutely they will again dumps down. From last 24 hours, you can see the price is very badly decreased now, 3.73%. So I think it's temporary fails. Don't worry, I am 100% sure to after this temporary fails they will also take a very huge pump. But for that you will need to take a risk. Absolutely in this time also chances my friends they will fails down, because whether when a short term investor are starting selling, then of course my friend the price will fails down. But when they are starting holding, then remember they will get a profit. You can see from last 24 hours they were very badly lost down. But if we check out the last 7 days chart, so my friend absolutely you can see this coin is again more and more fails down. But in last 1 month my brothers, this time you can see here they will completely on the profit. So therefore you can see a short term investor are starting selling, because when they will see my friends completely a profit, so definitely after that they will fails down. So I will tell you, if you or start my friends selling, definitely they will very badly fails down more and more. But if you are a short term investor, then you will also need to starting selling. Sell it and be safe from more loss in upcoming time. I have chances my friends they will fails down. But if they will starting moving upward, then remember my brothers, so they will give you a very good profit. So thanks for watching Ecash coin holder. Please, my opinion is for all of you to hold down, because my brother in upcoming time also chance they will pumps up. But if you are short term investor, then urgently sell it. I hope my friends they will give you a very good profit. Thanks for watching Ecash coin holder. Please like video and don't forget to subscribe channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.